Heathline Commercials is a commercial vehicle repair workshop which predominantly does all the trucks for Moody Logistics to keep them safe and legal on the roads with servicing and maintenance, but we also offer that service to external companies and private individuals to repair and service their trucks, buses, transit vans, horse boxes, etc. Unfortunately, we were unable to hold an official opening of these great premises here at Heathline due to the current coronavirus pandemic. It was really important for us to get Heathline in this building as quickly as we could to first of all have these great facilities for the staff and the trucks, but also particularly in this pandemic, we felt it was a much better protection for our guys to be able to continue working throughout this as key workers, to be able to keep trucks on the road and etc. that are really required during this time.
We at Heathline decided to build this new centre because we needed to bring our workshop into the 21st century with all the latest equipment, the brake tester, the shaker plates on the pits, all the pit jack equipment, and everything that we need to be able to service vehicles to a very high standard every time. We also wanted the staff to have a nice, clean, bright, dry and warm environment to work. It's much safer and just better all round for staff morale. I think going forward with the new building, we're really excited. We can grow the company in order to provide an even better service all round to customers.